We were having a problem with moss on the roof. Can you imagine that in Seattle where it rains all the time? But we've never had it done. So got a lot of bids from people of different roofing companies. But I was most impressed with Guardian because they gave an on-site free estimate and they were responsive. And so the inspector came out and he looked at the roof and he looked around and did sort of in-close inspection of some problem areas on our roof. Brought the photos down, technology's great. And then the day that the roofer came over to actually do the moss treatment, he was on time, he was polite, he listened to my concerns. We have very old skylights, and so they needed to have gentle treatment, and he understood that quite well. And so when the roofer came over, I was prepared. He did a really wonderful job. He explained stuff. He actually did a few little repairs here and there on the roof, which was really nice. Day and night, the difference between, I feel like we got a new roof because there's no moss, and he did the gutters. The gutters are super clean. He pressure washed the sidewalk and our steps where the moss and debris fell down. Absolutely stunning job for cleaning the site. I couldn't even see a spare bit of moss, and he was really thorough, and it was a much better job than I expected. So I'm happy, and I'm really happy with the service. The timing was great. The company is good. So I would recommend Guardian is a good roofing company for anybody who needs their moss removed. Which is pretty much everybody in Seattle.